Another beautiful day. I just came for doing my delivery stuff. This is Glaston Road. It's very nice weather today. I don't know what to say now. We'll go now McDonald's and sit there for getting another order. It It was raining earlier, but now the weather forecast is pretty much good. I think I'll not have to wait and dance in the rain. Okay. This is a homeless area. People who are homeless stay there all the time. And I'll just enter at McDonald's drive-thru. Okay. It means here.